Hello and welcome to TaskMan AI, introducing the world's first AI-powered freelancer platform that offers services across multiple niches and platforms, all in one place. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of how TaskMan AI works. Step 1. Log in to TaskMan AI. Now, once you're logged in, you will see a simple and powerful dashboard designed to help you manage everything effortlessly. On the left menu, click on Live Interaction. Here you'll find multiple live AI freelancers ready to solve your problems, answer questions, or complete tasks in real time. For example, let's connect here with Sophia Parker, a business consultant. I click on Start.
Hi, I'm Sophia Parker, a business consultant. How can I help you?
Then I click on Record and give her my request. What is the most common mistake that new businesses make? Send it to her.
One of the most common mistakes that new businesses make is failing to clearly define their target market and understand their customers deeply. Many entrepreneurs launch their products or services based on assumptions about what they think people want, rather than conducting thorough market research to validate those assumptions. For instance, consider a startup that develops a new fitness app. They might assume that all health-conscious individuals will want to use it, but without detailed research, they may overlook critical segments of the market, such as those who prefer in-person training or those who may struggle with technology. This lack of clarity can lead to wasted resources on marketing efforts that don't resonate with the intended audience, ultimately hindering growth. To avoid this pitfall, it's crucial for new businesses to invest time in understanding their customers' needs, preferences, and pain points. This can involve surveys, interviews, and analyzing competitor offerings. By gaining insights into their target market, entrepreneurs can tailor their products and marketing strategies effectively, setting a solid foundation for sustainable growth. So, as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, remember, take the time to know your audience. This clarity will not only inform your product development, but also guide your marketing strategies and help you build meaningful customer relationships.
Next, click on AI Agent Team, and here you'll discover a team of AI agents across different fields. Let's chat with John Smith, a software developer. And I'm going to ask him a question. Hey John, can you give me a login page built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Look how fast and accurate the response is. And yes, you can save that code and offer it as a service by clicking here. Next, we're going to click on Site Creation. You can create your own freelancing website. It lets you launch your own AI-powered freelancing site where users can access live AI freelancers and you get paid via PayPal. After we click on Site, you choose your domain, subdomain, or custom. Come in and fill out your information here for your custom subdomain, your site logo, your contact email, your site content, and your pricing. Once you're finished, your fully automated freelancing site link will be generated. Click the link and your live AI freelancing site is ready to explore. In the settings menu, you can manage payments and subscribers. Add your PayPal email. View all subscriber emails collected via your website's footer form. Check the visitor list to track who purchased services on your site. You'll also find bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support available inside the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building your AI freelancing empire with TaskMan AI.